You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all in terms on the left side of the equation. Add 5 into both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is n equals 1.